meant to be, Dushyant Sridhar, about Hindus. Movement. It was meant to be against caste. When he said that end Sanatan, he meant end casteism. So are the two synonymous? Sanatan means casteism, Dushyant Sridhar?
I need to come in.
Okay. Namaskaram Padmaja and namaskaram to my fellow panelists. Padmaja, one kind request. I never interrupted. I will never interrupt any of my panelists. Just some patience. The opening remark is, Padmaja, it's a very, very sad fact that the majority Hindu community is an orphaned community in Bharatadesham. That's the truth. That said, I have 4 points to make. 1. Where does this word Sanatana Dharma come? In Ramayanam, in Kishkindha Kandam, Rama tells Vali, you have tried to force to have a physical relationship with your brother's wife, Ruma. This is not what Sanatana Dharma approves of. You should treat her as your daughter and not as, you should not coax yourself. Tyaktva Dharmam Sanatanam. This comes in Kishkindha Kandam of Valmiki Ramayanam. In Mahabharatam, we have Yecha Vedavido Vipraha, Yecha Adhyatma Chetasaha, Tevadanti Mahatmanam Krishnam Dharmam Sanatanam. Whatever is the work, duties that need to be performed, whatever is the accrued knowledge that needs to be internalized, this is what our ancestors have taught about. This is what Krishna has espoused in Bhagavad Gita. 2. Third, speak the truth which is very pleasing. Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat, yeshaha, dharmaha, sanatanaha. This is another place. So there are plenty of such places which says that the eternal truth, satyam vada, dharmam chara, speak the truth, walk on the path of dharma, treat your parents as gods, treat your teacher with respect. This is Sanatana Dharma. In this huge umbrella of Sanatana Dharma, there are various aspects, including the pramana, the scriptures that come in. That kept on one side, Padmaja. Let us understand what happened in the conclave, in the conference, in the summit that happened. K. Veeramani of Dravida Kazhagam suggested that Hindus is replaceable with Sanatana Dharma. So Hinduism is equal to Sanatana Dharma is his statement from the conclave. Followed by his speech came Udayanidhi Stalin's speech, who said that Sanatana Dharma is a pathogen, it is a disease, it must be eradicated. And the irony is, Padmaja, they are saying it is anti-caste. On the same stage was the minister, Honorable Minister Shekhar Babu, who leads HRNCE, which is the Temple Association for the Hindus. So on the stage where the person is leading the maintenance of temples for the Hindus, on the same stage Hindus or Sanatana Dharma is told to be annihilated. 1. And they are saying anti-caste. It is there in all the public platforms. I am not speculating, you can fact check. It is a huge fact that Shekhar Babu had gone behind his daughter who went in marriage with a person from another caste. It is there in the public domain. So you are there on the stage with the same person who's working against against intercaste marriage, and then telling that I'm fighting for all castes to be treated equally. 1. Second thing, Periyar, in 1971, he took a rally of Rama and Sita. It is there in the public domain. He had a chappal mala around them and hit them. He called Sita a Kimayanam, prostitute. He said that the idols of Ganesha should be broken. It is there in the public domain where he said that the temples of Chidambaram and Srirangam should be stormed, bombed. He did say that the works, Tamil is a barbaric language. It is a language of the uncivilized. Silappadigaram is an Aryan book. Tirukkural is like excreta on a plate where we eat food. These were his remarks, Padmaja. And they're talking about women empowerment, which they say is not there in Sanatana Dharma. They come from the same ideology of the Dravidian ideology, where the ideologue Periyar is said to have married his own daughter. Chief Minister Karunanidhi publicly practiced polygamy. They did never have a woman president in the party, nor did they have any chief minister of the women clan. Finally, Padmaja, just one remark that I have to make. If they talk about caste, Valmiki, who gave us Ramayana, was of the Shudra caste. Nammalvar and Tirumangayalvar, whom we respect in the Tamil tradition, were Shudras. Dharmavyadha of Mahabharata was a Shudra. So at no point in time, Sanatana Dharma in its theory has ever degraded, underestimated people. One last point to be made, Padmaja. This was my opening remark. If there is an orphaned community in Bharatadesham, that is the majority Hindu community, nobody will raise a voice for it.